I just wanted you to reflect a little bit on something that we are doing in NDTV. As you know, we've got a Banega Swasth India campaign, and you talk about healthcare very, very closely. Just to let you know, we've got a bot which we've got out in 4 different languages where we are talking about the importance of hygiene. It's out of the World Economic Forum. Could you tell us about when it comes to the rights of women and the welfare of women, hygiene is a critical issue?
I think that one of the biggest misconceptions is that women and health are issues which are not comparable till you look at either offtake from pharmaceutical companies or, for that matter, offtake with regards to innovations. If I contextualize what you're doing in hygiene, in the year 2000, 11, 12, subject to correction, possibly 2010, the World Bank came out with a report as to how lack of sanitation in India was costing a negative impact of 6% on our GDP.
Yes.
Now, those are not just rights based on women, their welfare, and their protection. But if I do speak on that, one of the alarming things that one of the channels in India had brought out was rape and sexual assault on women in that time period was up to 40 to 43% only when they went out to defecate in the open.
That's right,
So I think that the issue of hygiene is not an issue of cleanliness alone. It has to do a lot with the economic loss to a company, to an economy. If these elements are not looked into, it is also an issue of female safety. It is also an issue of nutrition. So if you look at the issue, let's say, of diarrhea deaths, if you look at the issue of malnutrition, people believe that this has to do predominantly with what kind of food is being infused into the body politic. But the problem is that a lot of issues with regards to malnutrition can also find this first step of correction if we look into hygiene issues.